get going to Grandma's house. Can't really see out the window because it's foggy, but little man is having great fun playing with the seatbelt. Are you going to put that together again, honey? He's already figured out how to get it together. Pretty smart little cookie. Good job, Francis. Look at that. Good job. So, hopefully it keeps him entertained for... Oh, hello? What, Dada? What about Bugsy? Oh, here, let's undo it. There you go. Who's there? Who is it? Hmm? Oh, it doesn't come off, sweetheart. Sorry.